Welcome to Ngobatante channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Eitada. Eitada. This is Ngobatante channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns. 1 CS Galaxy 0. My brother, how's it?
I'm right, Mr. Ngoboina.
Sharp X-Man. How do you feel about the game?
I'm not happy because bengizela kuzomingcela iSundowns kuthi idliwe yabo.
Oh yeah.
Kuthi at least engatovula igame yabo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, ngidisappointed iTS Galaxy. Ithole ama chance. Bekumele ngabakorile first half.
Awayisebenzisanga ya.
Abasebenzisanga ama chance. Ibile no ref ngayo isifakile isandla because kule goal ekumele ngabe lingenile wathi offside ngasiyo offside.
Oh yeah.
But bona at all iTS Galaxy amphethu. Coach wabo nabo ngiyasola. Jersey number 10 captain wabo namhlanje beyangadlali. Maduna. Siyamazi Maduna vele is a key player but namhlanje bekadropile. Ngabe umsubstitute because iTS Galaxy befuna Sundowns ke counter every time. And yathi ukuthi Sundowns ayina speed emuva yabo. So but lawo ama chance lawo batholile bahlule ukukora. Well down to Sundowns noma nje ngingakajabuli ukuthi bawinile but Sundowns khombisile ukuthi ama champions le chance bayitholile bayisebenzisa and futhi uyabona kungena kwa Atasalas kuyichange igame bathi nabafaka uRaines vele igame yona bese changeile wabonakala ukuthi hayi Sundowns sebuyile egamini but anyway masandawana niwinile bafethu semuva nathi mabhakaniya ngalokujalo sibashayile 3-1 i3 asisikole sebantwana bahlulekile namhlanje ama champion cha 3 bashaya 1 to team lencane thina sishaya 3 goals
cha 3 chiefs ashapho
le Kaizer Chiefs angibali OBT is struggling
no I'm not struggling it's score now so congratulations my brother
and bona mfethu na iKaizer Chiefs itolo bebalokhu barasa ku number 2 namhlanje baku just for 12 hours kuba number 2 bona sebathi bathathe league sebafuna
abashonke bayithatha
bathi bafuna iMadrid labo bantu labo
bayeke bajabule ngesikhathi bewina because abazi bazowina nini futhi
iwin yabo yekugcina this month le bayiwina izolo nebaphinde bawina thina simabhakaniya ngiyakutshela futhi namhlanje na Saturday ngikutshelile kuthi le league le this season yethu simabhakaniya buzomnyama up the park sasakhephula umhlaba wamasipala 1937 zawenza wazi
ngeke saphezulu